Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X2 Pro, and today I will show you how to enable the power saving mode. Now to get started, let's just pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me looks to be right over here. So once you find it, you can simply tap on it to enable it. And as you can see right away, the max brightness dropped even though the brightness itself didn't change. So that is the effect of the power saving mode. There's also a couple things that it's doing in the background. One of those things which might be noticeable is once the device goes to sleep, meaning like this, it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data, meaning any kind of application that will require internet connection will not give you an update till you wake up the device again. So do basically this. Once you do, it will automatically sync all the missing updates and you should get all the notifications that you were missing. Now outside of that, you can also hold the toggle and this will take you to the settings where you have access to super power saving mode, which is well, the normal one but on steroids. And as you will see, it might not be the best option for everybody. It gives right here 5 hours of extra on screen time. Now that is at 35%, so that is a fairly decent number. So it would look like it's going to give you over 10 hours or more, like 12 hours more of battery life, it would look like, if not more. So let me just show you what I mean. So once you turn it on, it does put the device in this kind of simplified mode. I have only 6 accessible apps right here, no wallpaper. Toggles are fairly limited, as you can see, and that's basically all you can do. Power saving is the main priority of this mode and everything else is just a addition. So once you're done with this mode, to leave it, all you need to do is just tap right over here on this exit button and select exit super power saving mode, and this will go back to normal. Now normal meaning the phone will look normally, but it's still in power saving mode. So basically the last default option that we had. So tap on it again to make it go back to normal mode. And that is how you could enable the power saving mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.